Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So today we are going to learn about important revision topics and important topics in this chapter. So we have two chapters, chapter 6 and chapter 7. So in these chapters we have some important topics. So let's learn about that. So before that, let's go into our first chapter, that is chapter 6, learn how to paint. Chapter 6 is the first portion of your third term examination. Chapter 6, learn how to paint. Learn how to paint. Yes. So, in this chapter, we all know there are some components of a painting. So, let's see what are the components. So, you heard about ribbon. What is the spelling of ribbon? R, then I, then B, then B, next O, N, ribbon. R-I, B-B, O-N. What is the first component? Ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. The component of a window. Sorry, paint screen. It is the component of a paint screen. Then, what is its use? Ribbon gives all options in a single area. Ribbon gives all options in a single area. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. Once again, R-I-B-B-O-N. R-I-B-B-O-N. That is the important component in the paint window. Then, what is its function? It gives all options in a single area. Or we can say it is the central place and which gives all options in a single area. Okay, that is ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Right? Okay, so study each of the letters in these words. So, this is a must question. Study them. First word, ribbon. Then, another important button is paint button. Paint button. What is the spelling of paint? P-A-I-N-T. Paint button. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. Paint button. P-A-I-N-T. B-U-T-T-O-N. Paint button. P-A-I-N-T-B-U-T-T-O-N. Paint button. Then next, quick access toolbar, tabs, then title bar, drawing area. So ribbon. Then another component is title bar. What is the spelling of title? Yes, T. Then next letter I. Then next letter T. Then next one L. Then E. Title. T-I-T-L-E. Title. T-I-T-L-E. Title. T-I-T-L-E. Title. Bar. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. T-I-T-L-E. Title. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. T-I-T-L-E. Title. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. T-I-T-L-E. Title. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. So first one is ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. Ribbon. Then paint button. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. B-U-T-T-O-N. Button. Paint button. Then another important component is title bar. T-I-T-L-E. Title. B-A-R. Bar. Title bar. Then next one is drawing area. D. Then R. Then A. Next W. I. N. G. Drawing. D-R-A. W-I-N-G, drawing area. A-R-E-A, area, drawing area. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing area. A-R-E-A, area, drawing area. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing A-R-E-A, area, drawing area. So what are the components? Important components: paint button. Then next one, quick access toolbar, tabs, ribbon, title bar, drawing area. So next one is quick access toolbar. Q-U-I-C-K, quick access. A-C-C-E-S-S, access. Toolbar. T-O-O-O-L-B-A-R, bar, toolbar. So what are the components present in a paint window? First one, ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. R-I-B-B-O-N, ribbon. Then second one is title bar. Title. T-I-T-L-E. So title. T-I-T-L-E. Title bar. B-A-R, bar. So title bar. T-I-T-L-E, B-A-R, title bar. So first one is ribbon, second one is title bar. Another important component is drawing area or the working space. Draw, D-R-A-W, drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing area, A-R-E-A, A-R-E-A, drawing area. Then drawing area is the place you draw the paint. Next important, toolbox in the paint window. So next important thing is toolbox in the paint window, or tools used in the paint window. Tools used in the paint window. Used in the paint window. Tool used in the paint window. Yes. So here the question is, what are the tools used in the paint window? So tell me, what are the tools? Yes, brush tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, polygon tool. Then next one, text tool, color picker tool, select tool, magnifier, etc. So name the tools used in the paint window. Name the tools used in the paint window. So here the tools are, first, pencil tool. What is the spelling? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Pen, P-E-N-C-I-L, C-I-L, pencil. Tool, T-O-O-L, pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw thin and very thin lines. Pencil tool is used to draw thin lines. So dash is used to draw thin lines. thin lines. What is that? Pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw thin lines. What is the tool used to draw thin lines? Pencil tool. Then dash tool is used to draw thick and thin lines or any type of lines as required. What is that tool? Brush tool. B R U S H. Brush. B R U S H. Brush. Tool. T O O L. Brush tool is used to draw thick and thin lines. Draw thick and thin lines. Thick and thin lines. So first tool is pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw thin lines. So dash tool is used to draw thin lines. Which tool? Pencil tool. Spelling P-E-N-C-I-L. Okay. Then dash tool is used to draw thick and thin lines. That is brush tool. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. T-O-O-L tool. Then next one, dash tool is used to draw straight and diagonal lines. Straight and diagonal lines. So that is line tool, which is the tool used to draw straight and diagonal lines. That is line tool. So dash tool is used to draw straight and diagonal lines. Which is the tool? Which is the tool is used to draw straight and diagonal lines. That is line tool. Then what is the spelling? L, then I, then N, E. L-I-N-E. L-I-N-E. Line tool is used to draw straight and diagonal lines. Line tool is used to draw straight or diagonal lines. So at first we discussed about pencil tool. Spelling P-E-N-N-C-I-L. Pencil tool. What is its use? Used to draw thin lines. So the question, which is the tool used to draw thin lines? Which is the tool? Pencil tool. Then second one is, which is the tool used to draw thick or thin lines? That tool is brush tool. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. T-O-O-L. Tool. Brush tool. And the third one is the tool used to draw straight and diagonal lines. Straight and diagonal lines. So that is line tool. L-I-N-E. Line. T-O-O-L. Tool. Line tool. Then next one. What is the tool used to draw ellipses and circles? Ellipses and circles. Dash tool is used to draw ellipses and circles. Yes, that is ellipse tool. E-L-L-I-P-S-E, ellipse, T-O-O-L, tool, ellipse tool. So, which is the tool used to draw ellipses and circles? Which is the tool? Ellipse tool. So, ellipse tool is used to draw ellipses and circles. E-L-L-I-P-S-E, E-L-L-I-P-S-E, E-L-L-I-P, E-L-L-I-P-S-E, 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 ellipse tool. Ellipse tool is used to draw ellipses and circles. Then, which is the tool used to draw? Used to fill color in the shapes you draw. Fill color tool is fill with color tool. Which is the tool? Fill with the color tool is used to fill color in the shapes. So that is fill. Fill. F-I-L-L. Fill. F-I-L-L. Fill. With W-I-T-H. With. W-I-T-H. With. F-I-L-L. Fill. W-I-T-H. With. Color. Here the spelling is C-O-L-O-R. C-O-L-O-R. Fill with the color. Fill with the color. So fill. F-I-L-L. Fill. F-I-L-L. Fill. F-I-L-L. Fill. With W-I-T-H. With W-I-T-H. With C-O-L-O-R. Color. C-O-L-O-R. Color. Fill with the color tool. What is its use? It is used to draw, fill color in the shapes. It is used to draw, it is used to fill color in the shapes. So, fill with the color tool. F-I-L, fill. W-I-T-H with the C-O-L-O-R, color. T-O-O-L, tool. Fill with the color tool. Fill with the color tool is used to fill color in the shapes. Fill with the color tool is used to fill color in the shapes. Fill with the color tool is used to fill color in the shapes. Then, next one. Dash tool is used to type text. So, let's move to next chapter. Using the keyboard. Using the keyboard. Chapter 7. Using the keyboard. Then, what is the input device here? What is the input device for typing? Or typing device is keyboard. Spelling K-E-Y. B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K-E-Y. B-O-A-R-D. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Keyboard is the input device used to type letters. So keyboard is the input, which is the device used to type letters or type text. Keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-E-R-D. Then next is, so dash tool is used to type text. Which is the tool used to type text? That is text tool. Which is the tool is used to type text? Text tool. So dash tool is used to type text. That is text tool. Which tool is that? Text. T-E-X-T. Text. T-E-X-T. Text tool. Text tool is used to type text. Then next, how to open WordPad. How to open WordPad. Or what are the steps for opening WordPad? Start, all programs, accessories, WordPad. Start, S-T-A-R-T, start. Then all programs, A-L-L-P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, all programs, A-L-L-P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, all programs. Then next, accessories, A-C-C-E-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories. Then start all programs, accessories. Then WordPad, W-O-R-D-P-A-D, W-O-R-D-P-A-D. So once again, how to open WordPad? Start, S-T-A-R-T, start. First step, start. Then all programs, A-L-L-P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, all programs. Accessories, A-C-C-E-S-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories. Then WordPad, W-O-R-D-P-A-D, pad, WordPad. Start all programs, accessories, WordPad. Start all programs, accessories, WordPad. Then next one, dash key gives a space every time when it is pressed. So which is the key is used to give spaces? That is known as space bar, or it is the longest key. S-P-A-C-E, space bar, B-A-R, space bar. S-P-A-C-E, space B-A-R, bar, space bar. Space bar is space every time when it is pressed. Every time when it is pressed. So what is the key here? Space bar key. Space bar key is the key which is used to give spaces every time when it is pressed. So once again, how to open WordPad? Start, S-T-A-R-T, start. All programs, A-L-L-P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, programs. Accessories, A-C-C-E-S-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories. WordPad, W-O-R-D-P-A-D, WordPad. Then next is space bar gives spaces every time when it is pressed. S-P-A-C-E, space B-A-R, bar, space bar, gives, G-I-V-E-S, gives spaces every time when it is pressed. Then which key is used to print the signs? Dash key is used to print signs. shift key, shift, shift key is used to print signs. So which is the key used to print signs? Shift key. Which key gives spaces? Space bar key. How to open WordPad? Start, all programs, accessories, then WordPad. Then next, which key is used to erase characters? So next, which key is used to erase characters? Which key is used to erase characters? So which key? That is backspace key. B-A-C-K, backspace. S-P-A-C, space, backspace key. K-E-Y, key. Key is used to erase characters. So backspace key is used to erase characters. Backspace. B-A-C-K, back. S-P-A-C-E, key. Backspace keys. Once again, how to open WordPad? Start, all programs, accessories, WordPad. Which is the key used to erase characters? Backspace. B-A-C-K, back. S-P-A-C-E, space. Backspace key is used to erase characters. Which key is used to type text? Which tool? Text tool. Then next, which key is used to print signs? Shift key. Which key is used to print signs? Shift key. Then next one. And which key gives a space every time when it is pressed? That is enter. Space bar key. Then which tool is used to draw? Ellipses, ellipse tool. Then straight lines or straight diagonals, line tool. Then next one, how many arrow keys are present in a keyboard? How many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys. How many arrow keys? 4 arrow keys are present in a keyboard. Which are they? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Then how many alphabets present in a keyboard? 26 alphabets. How many numbers present in 10? 0 to 9. Then name the blinking marker which is present in the typing window, which is known as cursor. Name the blinking marker. Blinking marker is cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. Cursor is the blinking marker. Then which tool is used to draw straight lines? Yes, that is line tool. Then which tool is used to type text? Text tool. Then how to open Paint program? Start, all programs, accessories, Paint. S-T-A-R-T, start. Then all programs, A-L-L-P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, all programs. Then accessories, A-C-C-E-S-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories. Then Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint, start, all programs, accessories, Paint. Then what are the tools used in a Paint program? That is brush tool, pencil tool, then brush tool, brush tool, then texture, then line, next pencil, then eraser. So brush, texture, line, pencil, eraser, then ellipse. So write some of the important tools used in paint. Then what are the cursor control keys or what are the arrow keys? Up arrow, down arrow, left, then right. Next, what are the keys present in a keyboard? Alphabetic key. Then next, numeric key. Next, cursor control key. Then give some examples of signs. Plus, then minus, percentage, then dollar symbol, then exclamatory mark, then chords, etc. So once again, what are the keys present in a keyboard? Numbers or numeric key, alphabet key, signs. Numeric key, alphabet key, signs. Sorry, cursor control key. Alphabetic key means A, P, H, A, B, E, T, I, C. Alphabetic key. K, numeric, N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Numeric key. Cursor control key, C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. C-O-N-T-R-O-N. Cursor control key. Then, which are the arrow keys? Up arrow, U-P, up, down, D-O-W-N, down arrow, left, L-E-F-T, right, R-I-G-H-T, right arrow. Then, which are the tools present in the paint? Brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush tool, texture, T-E-X-T, texture, line, L-I-N-E, line, then pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, then next, eraser, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser, ellipse, E-L-L-I-P-S-E. Then how to open paint? Start, S-T-A-R-T, start, all programs, all, A-L-L, programs, P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, programs, accessories, A-C-C-E-S-S-O-R-I-E-S, accessories, then paint. Then how to open WordPad? Same as that of paint opening, and just replace WordPad with the paint. Then next, the next one, which is the tool used to. Then one more thing, true or false. The caps lock key is used for typing in capital letters when it is off. So say true or false. It is false because when the caps lock key is on, then we can write the letters in capital letters or big letters. The next is space bar key gives space every time when it is pressed. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It gives the spaces when we press the N. Space bar key. Then next one, the enter key when pressed while typing will erase the next word. No, not the enter key. It is backspace key used to erase the characters. Enter key is pressed while typing. The cursor will move to the next line. Then backspace key is like an eraser. Yes, it's true. It's like an eraser. It is used to erase the characters. Then shift key is used to print signs which are on the upper half of the keys. Yes, signs are located on the top half of or upper half of the key. Then if you want to print signs, just press the shift key and press the signs. So shift key is used to print sign. Then next step. The dash tool is used to draw straight and diagonal lines. Line tool, L-I-N-E, line. Dash tool is used to erase the unwanted portion of the drawing. That is erase tool, eraser tool, E-R-A-S-E-R. Which is the tool used to type text? That is text tool, T-E-X-T. Then next, the tool used to draw ellipses and circles, that is ellipse, E-L-L-I-P-S-E. Then which is the tool used to fill color? Yes, that is fill with the color tool, F-I-L-L, fill with the W-I-T-H with the C-O-L-O-R, color. Then next is the important words. What are the components? Yes, that is first one, ribbon, R-I-B-B-O-N. Then title bar, T-I-T-L-E-B-A-R, title bar. Then drawing area, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing, A-R-E-A, area. So these are all about these two chapters. So all the best for your exam. Thank you. Bye.